I'm recording now.
Now, you
Mustard?
always make a mess.
Oreo. Cool Whip.
And some chocolate. Oh, God.
First we're going to take
Hurry up, Katie. I'm like in a minute. Oh, gross.
Time for the chocolate, son.
To eat this now.
Shelby, you have to eat this. Now we're going to top it all off, baby. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
All right, here you go, Shelby. 1, 2, 3.
Shelby, Randy will throw a fit. I can't believe you're doing that. Spit that out. That's enough.
All right, how do I stop it?
I'm gonna put it up.
How do I stop it?